Yo, player dude. Welcome to my house of mystical wonders. Are you retarded or something? You need 2 lasagnas to open these doors. Now it's time for a subject no one likes. Math. You would have to be a real dummy to get these wrong. Just type in the correct answer into the empty box. You know the basics, so just go on ahead and answer these questions. Problem 1. Problem 2. Problem 3. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Plus, minus, times, divided by, equals. Bang up job there, dipshit. I've seen better from a preschooler. You are doing fantastic. Go get a real job. Whoa, you really sucked. But whatever. Get this shiny Garfield coin and go get some lasagna or something.